I created this design in simply 3 minutes with my new Claude skill, and in today's video I want to show you the exact steps how to do that by yourself. That means for you can create bestseller designs every day, every single day without designer, without a lot of costs, and the only thing you have to do is watch this video and just do the same like me. Short introduction of myself. My name is Apo. I'm selling in the European market and in the US market, and what's happening right now is simply crazy, guys. I've never seen something like that before because with all the updates of Claude, print-on-demand game is changing and you have to upgrade your workflow, and therefore I will help you. So first things first, why Claude and not ChatGPT? Let me be honest to you guys, ChatGPT was pretty good in the beginning, but in the last couple of months Anthropic or Claude is just simply getting better every single day. So I was starting with ChatGPT, but right now Claude has so much tools. I mean, you can create a lot of designs with Claude. You can connect it to different tools. You can connect your Shopify account with it. You can create products automatically with your print-on-demand provider for it. You can do so many things, and it's just the beginning. So the second question is, what the hell is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is an all-in-one platform. It's just an AI which connects Nano Banana, GPT Image, Scene Dance, and all the other AIs which are pretty good to create images and videos. And what we are going to do is you want to connect our Claude account with the Higgsfield account. So Claude is doing all the brain work, the research and analysis. Afterwards, Higgsfield will create our designs in the same window. So after we've done the theory part, let's jump into the funny part. First of all, we log into Higgsfield.ai. You have to click here, MCP and CLI. Then you see the settings here. And the only thing you have to do is you have to copy this one. You go to your Claude Cowork. Then you have to chat here. And what you have to do is add files, connectors and more. Connectors, add connector, add custom connector. I hope it was not too fast. Otherwise you can stop or go back. You type in Higgsfield, you just enter here and add. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do. Of course you have to create an Higgsfield account, but that's it. The next thing is you could work like this. Hey, create me 5 designs for my gym shop. But the results will be not that good. You can try it out. I recommend you not to do that. I recommend you downloading my free skill. I just created a skill for you guys, so you don't have to do this by yourself. So you just download the skill. It's in YouTube description as well. You just make a double click on that one, and then you can add it to your library. Add to library, and then the skill is in there. So pretty easy, to be honest. So you will not do that. You have to click here, skills. So you have to click on Apo Designer, pretty easy. And now you can just enter. Let's start with that one. Okay, Apo Designer. Tell me your niche, then I will dig deep into the community and pull out the specific angels that actually sell as shirts. No boring generic designs. Okay, sounds pretty good. You can go through that one. Is the Higgsfield connection set up so I can generate the actual designs? Yes, connected. What products should these designs be made for? Let's talk about t-shirts and hoodies. That's all right. Let's go with oversized tees. Oversized shirts, okay? So, great, Higgsfield connected, redesigning. I just still need the parts you type in yourself before I can dig in. Your niche, inside the material, optional or style number. So, I need designs in the, what should we do? Let's go with gym. I need designs in the gym niche for my street gym print-on-demand street style shop in the US. Okay, simple. Perfect, gym fitness niche, street style, streetwear aesthetics, oversized shirts, US market. That's a strong combo. Thank you, Claude. What emotion should the gym designs carry? Let's talk about funny and humor, because if you're doing print on demand, you know that emotions are selling good, and if something is funny or a bold statement, your click rates are better and it's easier to do sales. So we want to go funny and maybe provocative, recommended. Okay, so what do we have? The 10 design concepts. Curling the squat rack, curls and squat rack, war crime. Yeah, me as a gym bro by myself. Okay, I'm training twice per week. I'm not a real gym bro anymore. But yeah, it's funny, but I don't think it's too funny. Re-rack or perish, gothic threat. Rest day cope for police. Okay, that's funny. That's pretty funny, to be honest. Bounce the bar one more time, I dare you. Nah, it's too much. Okay, 4 is funny, and 10. Let's go with them. How many designs should I create across these two concepts? 2, that's enough. Mixed both. So pretty simple. Okay guys, we have the results here. Phone police, unsworn, unpaid, unhinged. Yeah, it's alright. Pierre unlocked. I think this one is strong. But what we're going to do is create me one more version of PR unlocked. Different style. Let's test another run. Oh, what the fuck is that? Yeah, okay, that was nothing. We go with the first PR unlocked design. Okay, now you can do this. Look, that's bullshit. We go with this one. Okay, download. Open link, you can download it there. But our next step is now we have to design and we need some kind of advertising or content for it. Therefore, I just insert you another skill in the YouTube description. It's from Higgsfield. It's Higgsfield Content Factory. And what we're going to do is we just put the skill in there. And then we say, okay, create one video, one image ad for advertising with the first PR unlocked design. Let's go. Okay, which garment look should the ads feature? White oversized tee. Let me check. Yes, sounds good. Gym UGC. Both ad sets are done and showing in the widgets above. Let's check it out if it's good or not. Play.
PR unlocked, therapy cancelled. This shirt knew before I did. It's the one.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty good, to be honest. You can work with that one. What I would recommend you right now is you can use this video with the sound. That's alright, you can work with that one. But what's even better is you can just edit it with CapCut, so you can make some effects on it, or you can just insert another sound or music in it. And of course you can make it shorter if you want. I think this video is something like 8 seconds and you can create a 4 or 5 second ad out of it, or you can create 2 more and then you can do a collection ad with it. So that's it. The next step is pretty simple for you. You have to train your Claude. You have to create a lot of designs. You have to give him feedback. You have to give feedback loops. And of course, if you want to see more, let me know in the comments.